So here I have already imported the data from the CSV file. Now let's look at how our data frame actually looks like. So that's the data frame. It has 7 columns. And now let's check the data type of these columns. So as you can see, for the release date and formal release date, it's of object type. Now what if we want it as pass it as of date type? So I'm just pressing shift plus tab in pd.read CSV method. And as you can see, we have got an argument here with past dates. So in this past date, we are going to specify the columns which we want to parse as of date type. So we have release date and formal release date columns which we want to have data type of date time. So this is the case for the release date. Now as you can see, the data type is date time. Let's specify formal release date column as well. So we are passing it as a list. Now as you can see, the data type has been changed successfully.